Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new beach chair that I got. So I am someone who actually goes to the beach 4 or 5 times during the week. And I like having one that I can easily just throw on my bag, super lightweight, and that not only I can sit in the sand with, but it's also low enough that I can sit right into the water line, and maybe get the bottom of my bottom wet a little bit. So first off, the main thing about this, super, super lightweight. I mean, I'm literally holding it with 2 hands here, okay, or 2 fingers. So it does have the backpack straps built into it. You're just gonna unleash it right here. It's gonna open up. So on the back side of it, one really cool feature is that it has a built-in towel rack. So just lock this into place, put your towel on there while you're sitting, let it dry out. And then let's flip this around here. And so it actually has 3 reclining positions. So this is all the way up right here. Nice, just kind of chill. Like I said, it's low enough that I can sit like right in the water and then lift these arms up to take it down one more. And then this is number 3. So if I just kind of want to sit here like this, lay back, get some good sun and so forth, and then kind of come back up. And then another feature, it has 2 little pockets right here on the side. So for one of them, you could actually put a drink in here. I mean, it's a pretty wide thing. So if you have one of those Yeti cups, those thicker ones, it would probably fit right inside here. And then this one actually has a cover, a lid on it. So you can put your phone, your keys, whatever, you can put that inside here too. But overall, I think it's really good quality. It does come in, I think, 3 different colors. I just really like the red. And so sit out, enjoy the sun, have a really good time, and just enjoy the day.